This week's news to you is called Sharing Happiness. People are staying home more now. They are helping to stop the spread of the coronavirus. People may feel sad or scared. Some people are sharing happiness in neighborhoods. They are helping others feel better. People are putting lights onto their homes. Others see the lights. The lights can help others feel better. People are putting teddy bears into their windows. Other people see the teddy bears. The teddy bears can help others feel better. Here they have a rainbow fruit recipe that you can try to make at home with a parent if you have the supplies needed. We have strawberries, cantaloupe, pineapples, grapes, green and purple, honey, lime juice, a spoon, a large bowl, and a small bowl. Those are your ingredients. And then it gives you a recipe. So the recipe has the steps that you need to take to make this dish. So if you try this at home, let me know and tell me how it turns out.